Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share super healthy summer drink loaded with all essential vitamins and minerals, good for all age groups and all body types. Instead of drinking sugar loaded packed drinks, you can go for this healthy drink. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of organic ragi or finger millet, also called as nachni. Wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times till the water runs clear to remove all dirt and dust from it. After washing, soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Ragi is a special grain. Along with balancing all three doshas, it especially balances pitta dosha. It is rich source of calcium, iron, vitamin C and D, highly essential for small children, aged people, pregnant and lactating women. After 8 hours of soaking, transfer the soaked ragi into blending jar. Add some water and grind it to form smooth paste. Ragi helps to relieve burning of hands and feet. Now filter it through a sieve or cotton cloth. Ragi is rich with the tryptophan and other amino acids which acts as antioxidants. It increases the secretion of serotonin, happy hormone, which relieves stress and induces sound sleep. These antioxidants also helps to prevent free radicals and aging. After filtering, repeat the procedure with the left out ragi pulp. Add some water and grind and filter. Repeat this procedure till you extract full juice. Now juice is fully extracted. Add organic jaggery as per taste. Give a good mix. Super healthy summer drink Ragi juice is ready to serve. This juice is specially good for beating summer heat and balancing pitta dosha. But those who are having kapha dosha or kapha prakriti are prone to get cold and cough easily, they should avoid drinking this juice in the evening time. Try this healthy juice and stay healthy. Thank you for watching.